back to the movie. I went to see the movie. This is a Punjabi movie, and I went to see the movie, and then there is a character in that movie which uh, so one of the main protagonists in that movie is taking Sangat from Punjab to Hazur Sahib, which is one of the Takat Sahibs for us. Hazur Sahib is, if everyone knows, is in Nanded, where Guru Gobind Singh Ji Maharaj uh, ने अपना चोला छोड़कर he went into Sachkhand. And I am seeing that, watching that movie, and suddenly, this that scene comes where one of the characters, he's also paralytic, he's on a wheelchair. He he comes to Hazur Sahib with his son and his helper. Like my father also had a full-time help with him, and his son comes, and they both दोनों गले मिलते हैं बाप बेटा, और साथ में ही वो हेल्पर भी होता है। तो वो सीन बिल्कुल ऐसा था जैसे मुझे मेरे फादर की याद दिला रहा था कि दिस वाज हाउ इट यूज्ड टू बी at with me as well in my days back with him. So suddenly the main protagonist comes into the scene, and there is Hazur Sahib in the background, the entrance of Hazur Sahib in the background. Uh, the person on the wheelchair is in the front with his son, who दोनों गले लगे हुए हैं. And the main protagonist, he comes and he sings the Shabad, पूता माता की आसीस, पूता माता की निमक न विसरो तुमको हर हर सदा पे हो जगदीश. So, and I am numb. I just don't understand. And I'm like, Guruji, this is how you're giving me my answer. And I know it is him because that's my one-to-one connection. And उन्होंने मेरे को जब ये आंसर दिया तो मैं, like, just I lost my सुध-बुध. मैं बिल्कुल नम पड़ गया था, क्योंकि what I also recalled was at that very moment that when my father could walk on his own, it was his last tirath to that Hazur Sahib was the last Takhat Sthan where my father could visit when he was walking on his own. And I I just have no words to describe how I felt. And this is not where it stops. Uh, this satsang continues, and how Guruji takes me to my journey and makes sure that what I'm thinking is right, and he will prove it to me. Which of course he doesn't need to, but महाराज अगर आपको अपनी चरण शरण में लेते हैं तो आई एम श्योर संगत जी आपने भी एक्सपीरियंस किया होगा कि वो आपको बिल्कुल आपका आंसर कस्टमाइज करके बिल्कुल आपके हिसाब से आपको चता देंगे कि ही इज द वन हु इज डूइंग दिस. And when the scene passes, so of course I'm emotional, I'm in tears, I just don't understand what to do. And suddenly, I kind of, you know, go into a zone, and I kind of probably uh, just kind of sort of dial off कि समझ नहीं आ रहा है अब क्या करना है. Suddenly I see my phone rings, and I get a call from another company which says that we've shortlisted you, and and then they say that your salary has been discussed. This is your package. This is your compensation, uh, and we are processing your papers. So in that span of 20 minutes or probably half an hour, Guruji gives me an answer which changes. I would say in hindsight had changed my life 360 degree, because the times were tough. But this other aspect which was lingering on my head, that good deeds go wasted, and you always come into a challenging situation. How so? क्या फायदा है अच्छे काम करके? And this answer comes in.